changing your phone number on Swiggy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon of the account option, usually located at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Account Details. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Account Details or Profile. Tap on it to view your current information. Step 4. Edit Phone Number. Find the section that displays your current phone number. There should be an Edit or Change option next to it. Tap on this option to enter your new phone number. Step 5. Verify the new number. After entering your new phone number, you will likely receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm the change. Once verified, your phone number will be updated. Now you have successfully changed your phone number on Swiggy. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy's customer support for assistance.